while recording anyways, capture the screen, but it follows the same procedure. If you want to do recording, you just toggle this on. So you can set size of the screen you want to record to the video. You want to take a partial screenshot of the real video. So when you toggle this on, you will be provided with an icon, a plus icon where you can draw the area of the screen that you want to record. And if you select this, you can take a full screenshot which will capture the whole screen, everything that is being shown on the screen is recorded. Then take a window screenshot. You can select a window, setting window on your Chromebook that you will capture or that you will record. So if you have various windows or various sections of your Chromebook, load it or open it. This will be the option to go for. You want to take a screenshot of a certain part of the Chromebook, go with it. Then after that is being saved, the next thing is to show you how you can turn on your microphone view camera. So to do that, you come to set. So now the options are not showing because I'm currently screen recording. So when you click on this, you see the option to record your microphone, and then you also see the option to choose the microphone source, whether you want to record the audio from the system and your microphone, or you only want to record the internal audio, or you want to record only the microphone. Then you also see the option to turn on your camera, and you see the option to choose the folder where you want to save the recording file. As mentioned, currently this is the only option available now. So from here you can select the folder you want to save your recorded videos. So that is basically how to go about recording. For instance, you can see this window now. If I want to change which area of the screen is being captured, I can now toggle this on. See now this will capture the entire window. It will capture the entire window. If I click anywhere to capture the screen, if I toggle this on, I can adjust where I want to record. So I can choose the area I want to record in this option. So even if you are recording a video, this is the step to follow. If I toggle this on, you can capture the whole. If I click anywhere, I can capture the window. And if I capture the window, now let's do it and see what we got.
The Lord God is rooting for you. Congratulations, the Lord God will arise and His glory will be seen upon you.
As you can see, it captured the entire window.
Congratulations, for the Lord has done for you.
It captured the entire window and even
It's a new beginning now in your life. You see what the Lord has started in your life. He will pray for
capture the entire window. This is the current box that you see active. That's what they are saying here, but you can see the entire tabs, everything, they are open. So you want to capture the entire window, that is the step to go. So I believe this was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up.